Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. You're signed into Windows 10 and the machine is responsive. Once done, make sure your Wi-Fi adapter isn't disabled in Device Manager. This prevents hidden issues. Now open the Action Center by clicking the notification icon at the right end of the taskbar or press Win+O on the keyboard. This brings up quick action tiles so you can act immediately. You're ready for the first visible control, the Airplane Mode tile. Locate the Airplane Mode tile in the Action Center. If you don't see it, click Expand to reveal all quick actions. Click the tile once to toggle it. When off, the tile is no longer highlighted. Make sure to wait a few seconds because Windows will reinitialize radio devices. If Wi-Fi or Bluetooth doesn't return immediately, don't click repeatedly. Give the system time. This step disables the global radio cutoff and restores network adapters. If Action Center fails, open Settings, go to Network and Internet and toggle Airplane Mode off there. This does the same action in a different UI. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is enabled under Wi-Fi settings and reconnect to your network. If Airplane Mode seems stuck, toggle it on then off to force the radios to reset and restart Windows if needed. For stubborn cases, open Device Manager. Ensure wireless adapters are enabled and up to date. That usually fixes driver-related lockups.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.